Hello, in this video I will show you how to clear or delete Google Chrome browsing history from Google Chrome browser. So just open your Google Chrome browser and you can see the history by going here to the right hand side and see this three bar button here, and just click this button and you will find history menu here. So just click this history, and depending upon your preferences you can delete history for last 1 hour or last 1 day or 1 week or 1 month. So when you go into the history you see all the browsing data here. So what you need to do is you click clear and you can choose from here for how long or give the amount of time for which you want to clear the history. For example, right now the past hour is selected. You can select past day, past week, past 4 week, or the beginning of time. So I'm choosing the past hour and I click clear browsing data, and whatever I have browsed in the last past hour, that data is gone now. One more thing, if you want to delete individual entries, for example I want to delete these 4 entries, I just select them from here and I say remove selected items and click remove. So it will only remove the selected entries and not the whole browsing data. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.